Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I review is goldensealix.com. Earn money by watching ads and completing simple tasks. Join Cody and enjoy very low minimum payouts as 15 cents. It is free and easy. Here is the earning ways: watching PTC advertisements and surveys, and offer grid and video advertisements, referral pre-game. Now get register here. Fill this form and registered yourself here and enjoy make money by simple task. Get start and fill this form as step by step. Follow us and make sure give authentic information about yourself. If you're looking to make money online, here are a few legitimate methods you can consider. Registration process is completed and click Login website. Fill your username and password and fill this CAPTCHA. Now here is the goldensealix.com earning site is open. Paid to click. PTC websites have gained popularity as a means for individuals to earn money online. These websites offer users the opportunity to earn by viewing and interacting with advertisements. This is your account's balance and withdraw method to transfer your money into your bank accounts. This is all surveys and offer while you will fill and earn much more. There is no limit to fill. You can fill all the survey and earn more clicks. Ad is a platform. Ads displayed on these websites are typically sponsored by advertisers who are looking to promote their products or services. Advertisers pay the PTC website to display their ads, and a portion of that payment is then shared with the users. This is latest activities to complete surveys, tasks, and get reward. This is all view ads earning methods. In addition to earning through ad views, PTC websites often offer other opportunities to boost earnings. These may include completing paid surveys, participating in offer walls, or signing up for trial offers. These additional tasks usually pay higher amounts compared to ad views, but may require more time and effort. In conclusion, clicks ad and similar PTC websites offer individuals an opportunity to earn money by viewing and interacting with advertisements, while the earning potential may be limited with consistent effort and careful selection of legitimate. Each ad usually has a specified duration, which can range from a few seconds to a minute. Users are required to view the ad for the entire duration to earn the designated amount.